Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachus and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So we'll start with today's news. Arteta don't include Mika Bierret and Omari Hutchinson to the squad they go play FA Cup against Nottingham Forest. You know, say this Nottingham Forest match, Arteta the reason say go play some small, like maybe that kind of 4 or 5 small from the reports we they hear. Even Charlie Patino said they don't draft them into the squad. As in players plenty they want test out, like give them first time out, make them get their debut for this match. Most go some, even though they go mix them with some kind of strong men, but now still small league go still inside. Well, we'll watch as everything will turn out now because this Nottingham Forest, they be big name for EPL. You get when them say rule EPL. But now their time don't pass now. They don't even the championship safe. They below as in down for another League 3. I don't even know. So but then they play very well. They fight hard, they come back to championship. So but could not take them easy. You see yesterday whether na Chester, be Chesterfield, na he knock Newcastle, he shock everybody. So I beg go Moko no go do that kind of mistake. Maybe they no go knock us. At the same time, Ray Parlour will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside the talk say Arsenal will try their very best to sell Aubameyang for this January if it go possible. So the only stumbling block will be say whether Aubameyang would like to go or whether he will still like to stay for Arsenal, because the way they see the guy, say the guy future don't finish for Arsenal, so it would be best for him to leave. But everything they upon Aubameyang agreeing to leave, you get, because I don't feel come out for here where we say no I forget all the things so you don't do. Some people still hold them in high esteem, you know, in high regards. Then if you can come out go all those kind, maybe Newcastle, which big club now will come outside and say they won't buy Aubameyang? That's the number one question. Well, we no hold answer to that question. More decides everything will solve. Fabrizio Romano will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside. When they give us more information about this Bruno Guimaraes deal. So Baba the talk say Arsenal love and appreciate this Bruno Guimaraes. But where problem dey be say the guy in price they too high, so Arsenal no go fit complete this deal for this January. Because then they talk say they need like £45 million for this guy and it no go make sense. So Arsenal no go really go for the guy. Even the owners of these players have now for at the end of the summer, them go prefer to sell him. They no go want sell him for this January give Arsenal. So Arsenal they look for other options where they go feel leverage to replace the space where implement like Niles, Elneny and Partey don't cure cost. Away from that, Alan Houghton will be former Aston Villa defender. Don't come outside, they let everybody know say Aston Villa go dey very tempted. If Aston bring big money now, come say they won't buy Oli Watkins from them. So they go dey tempted to sell. Even though many people know they put Oli Watkins' name as part of the strikers where Arsenal go need. But if we buy Oli Watkins as a fallback striker, like we will make maybe Isaac the first choice, or maybe make Dominic Calvert-Lewin the first choice. Like if we make Oli Watkins the second choice, it could be bad idea. Let me know for comment section. Because me the reason say if we still get the guy, even if you know buy him as first choice, we get him as second choice. If he can't go prove himself now saying be first choice striker, you know bad now, do nothing. At the same time, our monitoring spirit they call 90 minutes. Don't come outside. They let us go say Vlahovic will entertain the prospect of playing under Antonio Conte for Tottenham Hotspur. Saying really bad what Conte don't do for Italy, and he like Conte footballing philosophy because Conte they always like to play with a big man up front. That is why when Incarnate Lukaku go for Inter, Lukaku thrived a lot. But now if you say Lukaku don't go for Chelsea, now if you say Lukaku don't the flop, we make Lukaku want to talk say he won't make him go back to Conte, saying we even like to go back to Inter one day, you get, because they know how to use Lukaku to the best of his ability. So that's why Vlahovic can say he will prefer to go for where Conte did, and at the end of the summer he would like to go because the guy know they in haste to come out for Fiorentina right now. But more look this thing from another perspective, from another angle. Shey you no go like am, could just come on mind for this Vlahovic. Like, why are we struggling for somebody wey be say he no dey in mind to come join us? Why are we looking for somebody no dey attached with us? we no like us, we no dey passionate about us, we no get any feeling of any kind towards us, and we constantly pursue am. Why? Why no fit just gbagbe this guy, pursue Isaac? We never hear for the news where Isaac go talk say he no wan come Arsenal, or the agent no wan talk to Arsenal, or you know all those kind of things. We shouldn't be all this one now. We dey talk how we take sign you, dey come outside dey talk say we wan go join our rivals, and you know, so you go talk say you no know say our rivals dem be. I don't understand this kind of. What do you think about this matter? We just backbeat this guy, follow another person. Wow. At the same time, Fabrizio Romano come as I call to give us inside details for the deal where Aston Villa gets with Barcelona. Let's say Aston Villa don't collect Coutinho on loan for the second part of the season. So Babacon they let us know say for that Coutinho deal, let's say Barcelona puts the buyout clause. You get like the buying clause. Let's say they collect the guy on loan with an option to buy. So that option to buy fee na £40 million, and the fee dey valid from now till June. You get, so which means if Aston Villa don't carry this guy on loan, it depending on how the guy play. If he play to the satisfaction of Steven Gerrard, then Gerrard go fit tell Aston Villa hierarchy say, okay, man, I bring £40 million, make we secure this guy. He's a very, very good midfielder and know what he can bring to the table. Or Gerrard go talk say, Omo Baba, you don't play well, forget as I take the hype you don't play well, that £40 million, somebody too much, you will not go fit sign you go go. So now so it just be. This one come dey in contrast, you get, to the news over here before say Barcelona they offer Arsenal 7.5 million to carry the guy. Maybe that one was out of desperation, and that one they happen. But now they don't get back to their senses, come put in buyout fee as £40 million. Because I don't say that's the true value of the guy, and I don't say Arsenal no act upon that deal that time. Well, don't happen, we say don't happen. Now we don't know what's in sub. Roy Keane, wey be Manchester United legend, don't come aside, come dey give your own opinion about Arsenal team. So Baba come dey talk say this Arsenal team, they are still very soft. Forget all these players who dem buy, they think say they don't get their strong mentality. Say they still have a soft underbelly. So when you gonna say Arsenal don't strong, then when Arsenal start to win big games, you can't just be winning people below you. You get, you need to win people above you also. You know, when you see Liverpool, you go come dey cower in fear. You go come dey play anyhow. You meet Man U, you no go win. You go now let Tottenham Hotspur I don't win for the first leg. If you meet all those kind of teams, you go dey fear them. No, say start winning Chelsea, start winning hand. That time then go know say yes, we no be small again. We are not scared of anybody. It's not then. Say for now, still they see us say we still small. Una buy Baba idea, una follow in line of thoughts. She una deal with in perspective. Say Arsenal get soft underbelly. Say our youngsters they no get that strong mentality. They know they strong enough. She una believe what they talk. Arsenal don officially announced the deal for Maitland-Niles to Roma. They don't announce the move. The Niles don't move to Roma and they thank him for his services and they wish him success. They can't even let us know say Niles don't dey for Arsenal since he dey 6 years old and he make 132 appearances in all competitions for Arsenal. So we wish him all the best. May him go come back a better player. The Jan Kulusevski deal don't get one kind twist too, because Everton don't come outside now one day for front runners to sign the guy. Everton they very, very serious because they need a direct winger to play for their wings. So they don't go reason Juventus say they interested, highly interested in signing the Jan Kulusevski. And why this news is significant to us, we say once upon a time we said they ask how much they want to sell the guy to us. So we said we need the guy. Everybody they think so we'll collect this guy for January. Now Everton don't choke mouth for the matter. We never know how this thing will end. Make it no be saying that Arsenal go hold the price market, another person will go buy. Arsenal will let the whole world know one player they won't buy, another person will go sign up. Make it not happen with this one again. No, I beg you. Even as the Maitland-Niles don't get in first media session for a new club, maybe Roma, and they come ask Baba say, how do you feel about this your new move? So Baba come to say, I am very, very happy to be here. Saying just want to help the team and let them know the things when they bring to the table, help them go there, achieve their goals, maybe to enter top 4, and so it will be. Well, like I talked before, we're happy with you. On my marital spiritual, they call R7 for Brazil. They let us know say Arsenal don't offer £20 million for Danilo, will be Palmeiras midfielder. They offer this money to Palmeiras. Say they won't sign Danilo from them. And this guy a Brazil player. The guy did very, very good. The 20-year-old defensive midfielder. Arsenal the reason say they would like to bring this guy to come replace Thomas Partey. And Partey wants and replace. I would say this guy don't get plenty caps from Brazil national team. The guy don't win the Copa Libertadores like 2 times. The guy did very good. Even when I saw these news, I just go do research, I read up on the guy. Almost all the pundits when they talk about and they praise the guy well. The guy get huge potential, as in he plays beyond his age. He's 20, but the guy get energy, stamina, pace. He dey see road. He's a deep line playmaker. The guy did very good. But my problem with this deal be say Palmeiras never dey willing to sell. The fact that we don't offer a bid never means say Palmeiras don't accept and say they don't dey willing to sell. Palmeiras say they no go like to sell this guy, even if they don't sell and say not before this guy in January now at the end of the summer. And this guy still get £86 million buyout clause. Even Arsenal the reason say okay, if we offer on £20 million for the deal, then moving on, we'll give an add-ons, a bonus of £4 million. That's performance-related add-ons if the guy play very well for Arsenal. But it is subject to Palmeiras agreeing the deal. So okay, we'll sell him because somebody will get £83 million buyout clause and he has high potential. When people they talk good things about him, is Palmeiras going to sell him? Another thing we call the bust my brain when they act as stumbling block. They say make it no be say Arsenal don't go price market now. Another person will come from nowhere, come go buy him. It don't happen before. Make it not happen again. I beg, may lights strike twice from the same place. It will get as it will be. So when they watch as this will happen now. If Palmeiras don't come and say accept the bid, I go let you know. If they don't accept the bid, I go still come let you know. Our Sampdoria don't come outside. They let us know say then they interested in carrying Pablo Mari for this January. Yeah, they want Mari. So we never know how to go be. Well, we wish Mari all the best, making go Sampdoria, but Arsenal never respond. We can also we say if there anybody bring better offer, we'll say make the guy find squad because he's surplus to requirements here. We're not really using him. So it will make sense now, win-win situation for both parties because Mari the reason say he won't play everything he go play to go join Brazil for World Cup. Make them feel select time again as one of the defenders. Even though he go there for Benjamin or whether he go play, he no mind. So now another thing be that. So Arsenal said they won't sell and they go like to recoup better money for his head. How much did they buy this guy? I don't think so even buy this guy up to £10 million. It was cheap when we got him from Flamengo. So well, for the watch as everything will turn out. Atletico Madrid said they eye Cedric Suarez. They want to use and replace Trippier when they sell to Newcastle. So Cedric said is like surplus to requirements in our team. In the case just be like Mari case. Now the money they go bring, then go determine whether we go sell them. Like Atletico Madrid now they sell Trippier for £12 million. Give Newcastle, and that's been a powerful professional. I don't know why they will sell on that kind of cheap price. I mean, maybe in contract they end this summer, nobody reason it matter because we said once upon a time we went for him before we now went for Tomiyasu. Thank God say we don't even buy our Japanese warrior. Well, we said Cedric Suarez all the best. If Atletico offer a bid, they just be interested for now. They never give us bid, and Arsenal never respond. But they watch as the story will turn out. Even Sunday Mirror sef don come outside come dey let us know say Arteta dey challenge Josh Kroenke. The reason I'm saying Baba abeg give us money make we take buy some players for this January. We need to plug some kind holes, we need to plug some kind gap. Though Kroenke never give them back, so they hope say bag will fall in anytime soon. And some people said they ask wetin happen to the change wey dem give us for the previous transfer window. Abi Arteta don return the change to Kroenke and the board them? If not, you're supposed to use that change buy who you want buy now. I mean, how una take say am now? So now what many people they ask because the money wey dem give you that time, you no use all of them finish. So why can't you beg for money now? Well, what they watch. I'm going to enter Arsenal match of the day. Arsenal versus Nottingham Forest. This match, you know, get plenty talk or one talk. Now FA Cup and people who they meet, they be shit packer, then they far below the league, like League 3 or League 4. I don't even know where they come from. So all I know is say we they play them because they know the EPL, they know the Championship. So anybody who then be on a good day was supposed to knock them. No plenty talk for this one. Even though for this match, I thought the reason say they go use some kind smally and give some kind senior men when they play a run out like all this kind of Cedric Suarez. To say now when then in the day now and then he go play. We able to just see Charlie Patino if he starts, Omar Hutchinson if he starts, many people like Bentley no normal, he go do for defense. Callum Chambers, if he don't come back, he will play. You know, many people they will say we just give them a run out, say okay, man, I can't stretch on our legs. Pepe, how okay Pepe don't go AFCON? So some people they will go use. So at the end of the day, I'm expecting a win, and we will come out live on giving our updates for this match, letting you know as they go. And if you are watching us for the first time, you know what yesterday updates, check the top left of your screen and make it click the thumbnail, make it get yesterday update because it's very important that you get all updates as they drop for us now. So my dear football lovers, it's Sachuk signing out. Have a great Sunday and get out.